2025 is your year. Dream big, manifest bigger, and create the life you've always wanted. Let's get into creating our ultimate vision board. Happy New Year! New year, new me. Am I right? Isn't that what we say every year? Maybe let's do a little more like new year, same me, different mindset. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to create your best vision board yet, set intentional goals for the year, kind of teach you how to manifest your dream life. And let me tell you, it works. Because I've been doing vision boards for years, and I can tell you that this year's vision board that I did for 2024, I think everything happened. So we are here to visualize it and then realize it. First things first, why create a vision board? Why are people doing this? Why should you do it? Well, let me tell you that the first step to manifesting is always visualizing. So basically, I like to call it daydreaming. I love daydreaming, where I dream about what I want and I see myself doing it. You visualize yourself achieving your goals, and this is such a powerful tool to success. It helps clarify what you actually want in life, and it really just helps turning these abstract ideas into tangible goals. And this will also help you boost your motivation and take actionable steps towards achieving what it is you really want, which also creates a sense of excitement and drive to just wanting to keep going, keep pushing. This also just helps with focus, staying focused, prioritizing the tasks. Your vision board will help you be a constant reminder of what's important for you, and it will help you prioritize your tasks and align your daily actions with long-term aspirations. So let's get into how we actually make a vision board. Creating a vision board involves gathering and organizing images, words, quotes, and other elements that will represent your goals, your values, and your aspirations. So you're gonna want to find those elements for different categories, and let me give you a few examples so you have an idea of what you can think about and what might be important for you for this next year. First goal is relationships, whether that's your family, friends, love. Then we have career and professional goals. Where do you want to see yourself professionally? Personal growth, very important, that too. That can be hobbies, maybe education, or a change in mindset. Then health and wellness, or maybe you can see this category as like lifestyle and daily habits that you might want to create. Finances, whether that's savings, investments, maybe you have debt that you want to pay off. Creative pursuits, travel and adventure, and don't forget to dream big. Now, I also stumbled upon this Instagram post yesterday that got sent to me, which I thought was very smart to do, and that is to reflect over the past year and ask yourself these 7 questions. This is a post from Mel Robbins, and the questions are: what are the people, experiences, and commitments that created positive feelings, energy, and memories for you this year? What are the people, experiences, and commitments that triggered negative feelings, energy, and emotions for you this year? What did you learn about yourself over the past year? What are you going to stop doing in the coming year? What are you going to start doing next year? What are you going to continue doing next year? And lastly, what can you do today to take the first step in the direction towards making 2025 your best year yet? And she finishes off this post with saying, you now have all the answers you need to create an incredible 2025. So reflecting over these few questions can really make you think, what made you happy this year that you want to keep for 2025? And what didn't? And so you know what you don't want to have in 2025. Knowing what you don't want is just as important as knowing what you want. Don't forget that. So now that we know a little bit how to create a vision board, we know what we enjoyed from last year and what we didn't, I think I want to start off with going through my last year's vision board. So my vision board for 2024, let's talk about it, let's go through it. Did things happen? Did they not? What did I learn? I just noticed that I did my vision board exactly 1 year and 1 day ago. This is what my vision board looked like last year. In case you didn't watch the video where I made that, you can always go back to that video too. I also talk about how to create a vision board, and I give some other tips in there. I really like creating my vision boards mostly with pictures and not so much text. But I think maybe this year I might add a little more text, quotes, and on the side I'll also write down a little list, really to remember the meaning of them and really like write down what my goals are. But I'll keep that out of the vision board. That's just like side note. So in the middle we have eligibility criteria for YouTube monetization, which was one of my goals for 2024. And I'm so happy to say that I reached that goal. And I can't even really believe it myself. That's so crazy to me. But I'm so happy about that. And I want to thank you guys for supporting me, because without you, that clearly could not have happened. So thank you so much for helping me out with that and supporting me and always being so kind. YouTube community really is the best community. Like, you guys are the best. Then I have a little balloon saying talk to yourself like someone you love, and that was really just about me being kind to myself. And sometimes I really need to just see myself as I'm just another person. I never look down on other people, so why would someone look down on me, type of thing. It was just a reminder to be kind to myself and not always put so much pressure on myself too. Like, things will happen or they won't, whatever. Then okay, we have some pics with like friends and dinners and stuff, which definitely happened. And midsummer picture too. I filmed midsummer that we did in Sweden. If you want to watch the video, go ahead and do that. That was so fun. I also had like hoping to go on a vacation where it was sunny and warm, and I went to Egypt, which was so amazing. Also vlogged that. We have must visit places in Copenhagen, because a goal was to go to Copenhagen, and during fashion week, which is why there's pictures of models, did that too. I went to Copenhagen fashion week. That's so crazy. And then we have pictures of books. I wanted to stay on my reading grind. I think I read at least 1 book every month, and I'm so proud of myself for doing that. And really made me feel good too. Yeah, I have a picture of camera because I wanted to film more, which I definitely did. I don't think I missed a single... Did I miss a single Sunday this year with my posting? I think I missed one when I had exam season, but or else I posted every single Sunday this year. Subscribe if you haven't already. Then I had my graduation, I finished my bachelor's degree, and I also had like, oh, I wanted to get sent some PR and stuff, and that happened too. Literally everything on my vision board came true. So this is why you need to create your vision board. This is your motivation. But I guess one thing I can learn from this is, since everything came true, clearly I need to dream bigger. I need to set my standards even higher. So I mean, I guess that's good to know. Before I go ahead and create my vision board for 2025, I can share some goals I have. For example, I do need to get a gym membership again, regain some strength. I really just want to feel strong again. But tell me why it's so embarrassing to get a gym membership in January. Like, I swear, like, it's not because it's new year, new me, but it like low-key, it's just excuses. Let's get that gym membership as soon as my broken foot recovers. No, honestly, I might even get it before, because I can always train my arms or something. Let me know if anyone has like gym exercises I can do that doesn't involve my foot too much. Let me know in the comments actually. I want to have do more stuff where like I get more experiences. Like during Vlogmas, for example, I did pottery painting, like a little pottery painting class, which was so fun. I really enjoyed that so much, and I want to do more activities like that. I feel like I want to incorporate that more in my 2025. I also want less scrolling on my phone. I think that would also help with my procrastination. I kind of want to figure out my style a little bit more too. I mean, I love fashion clearly, like I post so many videos about fashion, but I think I've been playing it a little bit safe for the past few, like this past year. I love a good basic, but I think I kind of want to get into more like, instead of buying a jacket that's black because it's gonna go with everything, I want to buy like something that just makes me happy and it can be in a color, like more statement stuff, I guess. A few other things like romanticize my life more. I love romanticizing my life and I just want to keep doing that. But yeah, I have a few goals. I'm not going to talk about all of them here. Let's create the vision board for 2025. That, ladies and gentlemen, my 2025 vision board is complete. So, should we go through it a little bit? This is the final results. So I mentioned a few of my goals earlier on, and like these pictures represent goals, which can always be divided into way smaller steps so that it feels easier to get there. For example, my goal to stop scrolling, scroll less on my phone, one thing I've already done to kind of help with that is I went into my settings and I turned off notifications from all of my applications, and except for maybe messages or something in case there would be like an emergency or whatever. You know, you can always take small steps like that to start off with. So if you want to stop scrolling on your phone, definitely start with just making all notifications disappear and making all things that are gonna make you want to pick up your phone disappear. So I did add a few more quotes in my vision board this year. So we have do it for your future self, which is something I used to do all the time. I think in 2023 it was a quote that I always told myself, do it for your future self. And your future self can be you in 1 hour, you in 1 month, you in 1 year. And it really helped me motivate myself. If I was kind of feeling like, oh, I'm so not bothered to go to the gym, I would be in my brain, do it for your future self. If you go to the gym, after that, you're gonna feel so good about yourself. You're gonna be so proud of yourself. And, you know, in a few months' time, you're gonna be proud of yourself too, because like you'll see physical changes too. Do it for your future self, guys. Then I also have discipline and consistency. Like I said, for example, for my YouTube grind, I'm gonna be posting twice a week now. So now every Wednesday and every Sunday, you better see a video. And if you don't see a video, you better comment and come for me, because I'm posting 2 videos a week from now. Then we have I attract the best experiences, people, and opportunities. You need to talk yourself into your reality. Talk like it's already happening. Talk like your goals have already happened or are happening right now. That's gonna really change your mindset into going, this is what I need for it to actually happen, because this is what I look like, this is what I feel like when my goals have been achieved. Do you know what I mean? And then I have some other things. Some of these things I can't even really talk about, but if you get the hint, you get the hint. That's all I'm gonna say. That's my little vision board. I feel like a lot of pictures speak for themselves, so I'm gonna end the video here. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know what you're putting on your vision board. If you made a vision board this year, maybe some of your goals. If you want to manifest them, write them down below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.